Hey guys, welcome to Safi Next. In this video you will learn how to create a notebook of your own choice in MS Word. To this end, you need to open a blank document like the one you see here on the screen. The first thing is to press the enter button 4 times in order to create sufficient space for the title or logo, and then come to Layout tab, and in the Layout tab press the margin button, and on the margin come to custom margins. If you press this window opens up. Here you have to adjust all the margins to 0 and then pressing OK. Once you press, you will see that the indent buttons have shifted to the edge of the page. Next, come to Insert tab and press the Table tab and select the single column table. Okay, see over here, and then press Ctrl A to select all lines and come to this tab and let us change the space. 1.5 is a sufficient space between the lines, so I would like to select this space between the lines. Now click on the last line and keep on pressing the tab button to fill the whole page with equal spaced lines. Now come to Insert tab, and from the Insert tab to Shapes, and in the Shapes select the line and try to draw a line at this position parallel. Now select the line and come to Shape Format. In the Shape Format, Shape Outline, first change the color of the line to red, and then again come over here to change the width of the line, and I would like to select 1, and then while the line selected, I press Ctrl D to duplicate the line. Again I select the line to the margin. Let me increase the margin so that it is a little visible, and then pressing the Control button and the up button to reduce the space between the two red lines. This is, I think, the suitable space which gave a good design to the title. Now let's come back to Insert tab, and on the Insert tab to Shapes, and from the Shapes let me pick one more, the vertical line, and I want to draw a vertical line like this. Once again, let me reduce the size of the page so that it is visible over the whole screen, and drag the line to, let me reach this to this side, and while the line selected, again come to Shape Format, let me turn the color red, and let me change the width of the line again to 1, and then let me change the style of the line to dotted, and again the line selected, let me press Ctrl D to double the line and adjust it to the edge of the page, and pressing the Control left arrow button to reduce the, in order to see whether it is sufficient. I can add one more thing to the title by coming to Insert tab, back to Shapes, and then choosing a design like this one, double wave, and the double wave I can draw over here. I can change the size by dragging this over here and a little this, and then clicking the right button on your mouse and coming to Add Text, and then pressing the backspace to take the cursor to the end and add the name, and then I press Enter button to add date, and then once more I come to Insert to shapes, and then pick a line from here, and I want to draw a line at this position. And coming back to shape format, I change the color of the line, and I can increase the width of the line to 1 point so it is a little visible, and then pressing Ctrl D to create another line, and I drag that to in front of the date. I can press over here and can add this thing to separate the dates, formats, and now I can again select this double wave shape and can turn the color to white, and I can change the color of the border to red, and I then click over here and press Ctrl A button to select all the text, and then come to Home tab, and from Home tab I come to the text of the color and turn this to blue, and it is now visible blue. I can even increase the size from 11 to 12. Okay, with that done, I can add a title if I want to the menu, and that I can do by coming to Insert tab and then to Shapes, and then take the rectangle, and I can draw a rectangle over here. First, I again deal with it by turning the border line to red, and then I click the right button, and then I click the right button and add text. In here I again press the backspace to take the cursor to the left end of the rectangle, and I write it XYZ Associates G10 Islamabad, and I again press Ctrl A to select all the text, then come to Home page, and from here I change this to 18 or 20. Now I select this whole and come to Shape Format, and from Shape Format I come to No Fill, and then I press Ctrl A and come to Home Format, and I press this to turn the title page into this. And if you are not interested that the title be enclosed inside the table, you can again come to Shape Format, and then Shape Format, and then Outline, and I can adjust no outline so that it is turned like this. So this way you can create a notebook of your own choice. If you haven't subscribed to Safi Mix, I would request you to please support the channel through your kind subscription. Thanks for watching.